Here to do a quick crossing tour. We got some upgrades. There's no more incandescents at this crossing. All lights are now GE Pixilated look LEDs now. The overhead lights on each cantilever were changed to GE LEDs back in 2015. Only new lights are the mast lights. Makes me wonder about, so I have to check, I may have to check fruit bridge. So, it still looks like 8-inch lights over here. But yeah, just an update. This was also installed back in 2015, replacing a Griswold Eon signal, or Safetran Eon signal, as that one still exists.